Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to calculate percent difference between two numbers in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Let's look at such a small table. This is a possible revenue from YouTube for several months. Let's calculate how much revenue has changed as a percentage in each month of last year and this year. For this calculation, we use a simple formula. We subtract the old value from the new value and then divide the difference by the old value. And as you can see, we got some kind of fractional value not in percentage form. To fix this, we need to convert the cell format from general to percentage, select the cells and click the percentage icon in the number group. And all fractional numbers are converted to percentage format. And additionally, remember that Excel doesn't show decimal values after the decimal point by default. But we can always show them by clicking on the Increase Decimal button in the Number section. That's all, now we know a little more.